You guys, have you heard or gone le machitamanga ithuba ba tswere ko Soweto ko Naledi ba re ba hijackile koloi ya medical what inside in a container the human organs, and then the thing or the serious problem ba tsere that car ne a ke tsore ba ishije ko ba dulang ngona, and then ba stripper that car, and then ba ja di-package tsa organs ba di beya ko plekeng, and already bona ne ba sa tsebe gore that car was flagged hijacked, then already maphodisa ba shetse ba e nyaka, then that's the only way ba kry-ileng ka gona. Like, braga, how can you steal a car e tsareng vele e swere lo tse di tlo thušang maphelo a batho inside? Guy, are you mad? O shapa ka mohlong wa e bona this car gore ke a company and it's a medical car, ke a lo tša dispetlele and stuff. What if someone na emetse pelo because ba re ka daba goditse gone dipelo le di-lungs, someone o emetse pelo a tima ka gala hema ka metšhini ka ICU. Mara, like, I don't know. Mpotjeng, these people are South Africans or what? Because I don't think these people are South Africans. Because as a South African, I don't think you could do such thing. It's not normal for a normal person to, like, let's just hijack Kuluya government and then Roy Strip and then why one or this thing belongs to government? It's a government property thing. Braga, go nyaka go hijack Kuluya. I'm not condoning the Lucha tseleng, but go nyaka go hijack Kuluya. Please avoid that lucha government because I hijack ambulance or police. So actually naledi SAPS basale under like serious investigation le batho ba gore batho like gore a ke tsebe gore mara bona story se tlo tswa the news e shitse I don't have to explain no, but the only thing gore ke update ba sa tsebe for those who don't know what's going on ke ntwe e diregileng mara batho ba dira di-scaberesh.